Hey, giant Isopod, let's play tag. Oh, come on, Seahorse. Oh, I'm gonna catch you. Hey, I'm just kidding with you. It's me, Luppi. And look at just how many amazing sea animals I have here with me today. Should we learn some curiosities and educational facts? Let's go. Just look at that beautiful sea turtle. It has a very hard shell on its back. The sea turtle's shell is attached right to its back, acting like a magic shield that's actually part of its own little bones. This is the shrimp. It's tiny and has several little legs and antennae. Did you know that a shrimp's heart is tucked away inside its head? It's very different. Look at the Mantis shrimp. It is super colorful and has its little legs folded in front. The Manta shrimp has very incredible little eyes that it can look in two completely different directions at the very same time, which helps it look for food or fun. I am the green Moray eel. Whoa! Hey! This one here is the green Moray eel, and Moray eels keep opening and closing their mouths non-stop, because actually, they are breathing when they do that. Whoa! Very cool! They are all long like that, and they have a face that seems mean, but actually they are not. Go ahead. The Moray eel loves to open its big mouth so that very small fish can go in and clean its little teeth as if they were toothbrushes. What a cute seal! It has a smooth little body and a very friendly snout. It has a very long mustache that works like little antennas for it to feel the movement of the water even in the dark. This is the sea robin. It has large fins that look like colorful wings. Besides being very colorful, this little fish can make noises that sound like a little frog croaking deep in the sea. Look at the regal tang. It is all blue with a very bright yellow tail. When it wants to hide to sleep, it tucks itself into the little holes in the rocks to stay nice and safe. Look at the manta ray. It is huge, flat, and looks like it has wings. The manta ray's belly is full of little black spots. And remarkably, there isn't a single manta ray found anywhere in the world with the exact same pattern as another. Hey, this one here is the guitar fish. And it has that name because it looks like a guitar. Oh, very cool. The guitarfish loves to rest lying on the sand and has little holes on the very top of its head, so it is able to breathe while it sleeps. Here is the pufferfish. It's a little fish full of spines and very curious. When the pufferfish gets scared, it swallows a lot of water and inflates. It's just like a little round balloon that's trying its best to look big. Look at the dolphin. It has very smooth gray skin and seems to always be smiling. When it's time to sleep, the dolphin closes just one little eye and leaves the other one open to always stay on watch. This is the lionfish. It has a bunch of stripes and long spines spread all over its body. The lionfish is very smart and can blow small jets of water from its mouth to catch its little meal. And hey, take a look at this one right here. It's the octopus. And it's all squishy. Stay here, little octopus. The octopus is so amazing that it doesn't have one, but yes, 3 hearts beating inside its little body. Look at the ray! It is very flat and has a very thin and long tail. Since it loves to lie down, its little mouth stays hidden on the underside of its belly to eat what it finds in the sand. What a unique crab! This is the Japanese spider crab, and it has giant legs. To hide on the ocean floor, the Japanese spider crab loves to put sponges and little plants on its back as if it were a disguise hat. This is the sunfish. It has a very round shape and doesn't have a tail like other fish. The sunfish is very heavy, and its favorite dish at lunchtime is eating floating jellyfish. Look at the sea lion. It has tiny little ears and exceptionally strong front flippers. Underwater, the sea lion flaps both of its front flippers at the same time, looking like it's flying through the ocean. Wow, look at the giant isopod. It has several little legs and a hard shell on its back. The giant isopod lives in the darkness of the deep sea and uses those long antennae to find its way while wandering along the sand. What a beautiful seahorse! It has a head that looks like a little horse and a tail that's all curled up. The seahorse swims very elegantly with its chest puffed out and upright, and each of its little eyes can look in a different direction in the water. This is the hermit crab. He lives all hidden away inside that hard shell. When the hermit crab grows and the little house gets too tight, he finds a bigger shell and leaves the old one for a smaller crab. Look at the sailfish. It has a very long bill and a giant fin on its back. When the sailfish gets really excited playing in the water, its little body can change color and become full of bright stripes. Look at the squid. It has a long little body, big eyes, and several little arms. Hidden in the middle of those soft little arms, the squid has a very hard little mouth that looks like a parrot's beak. This is the sawfish. Just look at how long its bill is and full of little teeth on the sides. This sawfish's bill works like a magic antenna that can sense other little fish swimming nearby. This one here is a jellyfish. It's a good thing it's a toy, because otherwise my hands would be burned right now. Whoa, do jellyfish cause burns? So if you ever find one, don't touch it. Ooh. Its little body is almost entirely made of water, so that's why it looks like jelly floating in the sea. Look at the clownfish. It's little and orange with beautiful white stripes. Clownfish are very chatty and love to talk by making gentle little popping sounds with their mouths while they are underwater. And this is the nurse shark. It's kind of brownish and has a very rounded snout. The nurse shark has two little whiskers near its mouth that help it to easily smell delicious scents down on the sandy bottom. Wow, look at the whale shark. It's huge and covered in little white spots all over its body. These little white spots on the back of the whale sharks are actually like our fingerprints. Each shark has a distinctive, unique pattern. Look at the walrus. It is very big, chubby, and has two giant white tusks. The walrus has this snout full of thick whiskers to be able to find clams hidden in the dark mud. Chomp, 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 chomp. Chomp, 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 chomp. Oh, look at the size of that lobster. It's quite a beauty, isn't it? Just look, it's red. And down here, it's a bit lighter. And look at those huge claws. Very cool. Hello, everyone. Leave a like. Click, 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 click. Look at the horseshoe crab. It has a hard shell that looks like a helmet and a thin tail. The horseshoe crab is a curious little creature. It's different from all the others and has 10 little eyes scattered across its shell to be able to see everything. This is Marlin. It has a strong body and a thin beak pointing forward. Marlin uses this long beak as if it were a soft sword to swing in the water and play with the little fish in the school. Look at the foxfish fish. It's very yellow, and its little face looks a lot like a fox's snout. When it's time to sleep, the foxface fish turns off its yellow color and gets all dark and blotchy to hide safely in the rocks. The sea dragon is amazing. It's colorful and full of parts that look like loose little leaves. Just like seahorses, in their family, it's the dad who carries the little eggs with the babies hidden in his tail. Hey, that's a starfish! And did you know that starfish have some really tiny little feet underneath? And that's what they use to move around. And they go crawling through the water like that. Very cool. If a starfish gets hurt and loses one of its points, a brand new one grows back in the same spot. Look at the Moorish idlefish. It's striped in white, black, and yellow with a long little snout. These little fish are very affectionate and love to swim, always in pairs, staying very close to their best friend. Here is the crab. It has 2 strong claws, plus a tough, hard shell that protects its entire body. Did you know that a crab's little teeth aren't in its mouth, but hidden away inside its little tummy? Wow, a humpback whale. It's giant and has very long front fins. The humpback whale loves working as a team with its family, releasing bubbles in the water to form a magical net to catch fish. This is the sperm whale. It is dark and has a gigantic square head. The sperm whale is an extremely intelligent animal, so much so that it has the largest brain of all the animals on planet Earth. Oh, I'm the Beluga, and now I'm gonna find the Starfish. Oh, look, it's finally here. Hey, and I actually managed to do this all thanks to my incredible echolocation power. Belugas are so cool. Oh! Since the beluga lives in the ice, it doesn't have a fin on its back, so it can swim underwater without bumping its little head. Look at the great white shark. It's big, gray, and has a tall fin on its back. The great white shark needs to always be swimming forward, because if it stops swimming, it can't breathe fresh water. This is the orca. It's beautiful, all black and white with a little light spot next to its eye. Even though everyone calls it a whale, the orca is actually part of the dolphin family, being the largest of them all. Look at the hammerhead shark. Look at how its head is long on the sides, just like a tool. This big head of the hammerhead shark works like the wing of an airplane underwater, helping it make very quick turns. Chomp, 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 and keep on chomping away. Whoa, this one here's a crocodile, and it's representing the crocodile from Saltwater, which is a huge crocodile that lives in the Australian Sea. That's right! Whoa! Sometimes the crocodile swallows some little rocks on purpose to make its belly heavier and be able to dive even deeper. Whoa, thanks for playing with me today. If you liked it, consider subscribing to the channel and also leave a like. And we'll see you in the next video. Whoa! Bonk.